Good morning, people. We're gonna get these little kitties fed. Yes, we are. There's quite a few of them. They're all feral cats and they come from right there. And the raccoon has been inside. Yes, he has. Yes, he has. Hi, fatties. What you guys doing? Okay, so the little raccoon's been inside. Okay, so without further ado, let's get these done. This is what the food is. Okay, we got dry food there. So, let's get this taken care of. Let's get these kitties fed. That's right. They're just little fellers. Yes, sir. They're just the little fellers. Tell them the raccoons have been in. That's right, huh? Yes, sir. Yeah, the raccoons have been in. Yes, ma'am. You tell them. You tell them the raccoons have been in. Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am. The raccoons have been in. That's right. Who tell them? The raccoons have been in. Okay, let's grab these little bowls here. They're dear little fellers, huh? Yeah, her little fellers. Yeah, Papa needs to help them out, they're right, because they're dead as a babies. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They're just the babies, and Papa needs to help them out, they're right. That's right, that's the way that ball rolls. Now, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can them. Who can them? That's the way this ball rolls this morning. Yes, ma'am. Okay, fatties, let's scoot back a little bit. Hey, Papa Roo. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So I went to Sam's Club last night and got him some food. Thank God. No meat. No, pretty much no nothing. Don't know what the meat is. Fucking sister's saying there's nothing. Like if you want a generator or a set of tools or something like that, well, you're in luck. But like they had some hot dogs and a few other things, but nothing much. Just saying. Hey, there's my Miss Quades. Okay, she's taken care of. Okay, it looks like my little fellas. Let's grab a couple more bowls here. by, little guys, and then we'll go outside and feed those little fellas. Okay, we got that taken care of. Okay. Okay. That takes care of that. Let's go out and feed the fellas out front. Okay. Out back. Hi guys, how we doing? Yeah, right. How my little fellers? Yeah, sure. That's my little fellers out there on the bench. Yes. Yeah, that's my little guy there. Yeah, sure. Hold on, little guys. Yeah, sure. When you finish. Yes, sir. Yeah, my little guy, he needs food immediately. Hurry, Papa. Yeah, right. I need food immediately. Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, so it's pretty chilly out here. Nothing's froze though. The water looks, I'm gonna pour it out, just saying. Okay, we got that poured out. Okay, let's go get some water for the little guys. We can do that. Yeah, it's pretty nippy out there. Not too bad though. Just saying. There, my little guys inside. Hi, honey. Okay, so we're getting that taken care of. Okay. Let me get a little bit of this mess cleaned up here. My son made me, my microbiologist son made me some spray so I can kill the virus. Oh man, can you guys believe what's going on about that shit? Italy, oh my good God. It's like crazy, my goodness. That's all I gotta say, just crazy. Yes, ma'am. Stop and got the house cat some water. I'm right there. Oi, fellas. Hey, dear papas. All right. We gotta get some waters. Yes, ma'am. Okay. I got some water. Yeah, it's pretty chilly out there, I'll tell you that. Right now. I thought that maybe I might not need to plug in the diesel, but I'm rethinking that right now. Yes, ma'am. So I slept in like an hour early this morning. Just want you to know. Yeah, I slept in an hour early this morning. I can hear the robins. More than the groundhogs, more than anything else. The robins tell me it's gonna be spring. When they come, I know it's gonna be spring. Just saying. Yeah, when they come, I know it's going to be spring, so I can hear them. Spring is on its way. It's sure cold out here this morning. Might be a little frost on the pumpkins, just saying. Whoa. Yes, ma'am. Okay, there's my fellers right there. Yes, sir. Yep. They're my widow guys. They're my widow feller right there. They're right. You're right. That's my pitter patch. Yes, sir. Yeah, I slept in a full hour. I gotta go to work today too. It's like, wow, somebody should have woke me up. Just saying. So I go to the store. Never did buy no goddamn dish soap. So I'll go tonight, I guess. Yeah. Can't believe how many times I gotta do the same thing. Damn. God, if I can just remember, you know. Sure make the day a hell of a lot nicer. I still got time to make it, folks. Yeah, I won't be late, but you know, I did sleep in an hour early. I'll definitely not get a chance to sit down and relax. I know that. But that's okay. That's okay, folks. So I got me another coffee last night. Just saying. Yeah, so I got me another coffee last night. Okay, folks, I hate to let you go, but I woke up a little bit late, so I'm going to Mike's. I'm gonna get that taped. I'll be home early. I'll try to do a video tonight. Everybody have a great Saturday and be safe. Ciao. Peace out, man.